Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to fix some things, and in certain times we are making time to be stopped or paused to some extent. So what we added is that inside the UI cache script, main menu cache script, which is actually located in main menu, and it is always present, or you can actually add this line of code at any script which will be available on main menu. So here we have added time scale equal to 1, and what in the start function. So what it will do is that whenever we will move back to main menu cache, time will be 1 again. Okay, so the same thing we should add to the start menu as well. Actually we don't need it because we are not returning back to the start menu, so we are returning back to track selection menu, so that is fine with this. And now we'll move back to finish line AI. So we have found one more problem with the finish line, so the AI settings. So for this, what we'll do, we'll just I will show you that we can actually copy this AR car black finish position. Let's copy this, and here I will just create a function, public void start function, and inside this function we'll just make it position to 0 in the beginning. Okay, so this is very important thing. So similar we will repeat with the black minutes and black seconds. So just copy these, let's paste it here, let's make it 0 again, and I will repeat the process for the other cars, but before that I will just add this name is not needed. So let's select the AI car black seconds, let's add it here, and let's make it 0, and then I will just copy these, paste, and then after black we have blue, so let's copy the blue thing, and we'll just replace the black with the blue. So let's paste it here, let's paste it here, and paste it here, and then after blue we have red. So copy, and then red, and red, and then finally we have yellow. Copy, and we have yellow, and yellow, and yellow. So that's nice. Now we have fixed the smaller issues inside the game, and now everything is perfect. So in next section we will move further. Goodbye.